everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan for harmful apps on your Android phone. So you can see I have Play Protect right here, and this will scan for apps that may potentially harm my phone. So you can do this by going to the Google Play Store where you download your apps. And it's going to bring you to the home screen here, the App Store. Go to the top right to your person, and then you can scroll on down and go to Play Protect. And this says no harmful apps, but I can scan right here and it'll do a scan in progress. So if you do have something on your phone that can be potentially harmful, it will find it right here, and you can see your recently scanned apps. So it looks like I don't have any harmful apps right there, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.